Hey everybody, I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and you're getting ready for a fantastic New Year's. So I wanted to go over a few changes that are being implemented and activated already. So first thing that you will notice on the website is that there's a little message here that talks about free shipping. So that was one concern that everybody had about checking out multiple times when we switched to the first paid first serve service. So this is going to take care of that. So you're going to pay your $10 shipping fee, your flat shipping rate on your first order, and then every 72 hours you'll have the chance to continue to add to that order without having any other additional shipping charges added. And that will be from Sunday through Wednesday. So if you place an order on Sunday, you continue to add through Wednesday. And then on Wednesday, then if you place that order, that'll carry you over through Saturday. But now you'll also notice that it says that we'll be shipping on Mondays. So if you know that you've placed your first order and you are done for the week, you've maxed out on your budget or whatever the case may be, you're not going to continue to shop, just shoot me a message and let me know that you want me to go ahead and ship your order and not wait till Monday. Now, if you change your mind and then you continue to add stuff and you do end up getting the free shipping, even though your first order already shipped out, those additional items will not ship out until you have an order with a new shipping rate attached to it. Okay, because that first shipping rate that you paid has already been used for that package. So even if the system gives you free shipping, if you told me to ship your order, then those remaining items for the new order will not ship until you have a new paid shipping order. So if by chance, say you place an order on Sunday, but then you don't place an order again until Thursday, and you wanted to combine that, then you would need a coupon code from me. So at that point, then you would have to reach out to me and say, hey, Susie, I'm still not ready to ship. I still want to shop. But I'm ready to check out again. Can I have the code for this week? So every week there will be a new code that will have a one-time use per customer. And you will have to contact me directly again for that code. But that will allow you to continue to shopping, even though, you may have passed the 72-hour mark, which is totally fine. And then I'll continue to add that to the shipment for that following Monday. So another new item that we have to look at will be in our account tab. So we're going to go ahead and click here. And then you will see that we have a new little link here that says Refer and Earn. So this is our new referral program. So once we click there, it's going to give you this little pop-up note page. And it's going to tell you what everybody gets. So your new friend that's coming into the website will earn $5 off their first order. And then you're also going to get $5 in account credit. And this will be for new customers only. So you don't want to use this code right here because this is specific to my personal account. So everybody will have their own code in their account page. So every time that you open up this link, it's going to give you your account code that's specific to your page only. So from here, you can either hit copy and then send that to your friend, or you can click copy code only and then just give them the code, and then they can use that at checkout to apply the discount and to get you account credit. So this is now active on the website, so everybody can check this out and start sharing that link to earn those credits. And so sharing the link doesn't get you the credit, but when your friend checks out for the first time and they redeem their $5 code, then that will prompt the system to give you $5 in credit. Okay, so if instead of on the website you prefer to navigate the app instead, we're just going to go down to where it says account, and that's where we're going to start. So when I click here, it's going to take me to this page, and then I'm going to find that same referral link information on this link right here. Okay, so once I click that, it's going to ask me where I want to send it to. So while we're here, you want to make sure that you have your notifications turned on, and that's when the app will let you know every time that we go live and every time that there is a new item posted to the Facebook group page or the Instagram page that's available for shopping. Now, the app also has additional features that the website does not, like our waitlist option here and our favorites here. So while you can still add things to your waitlist from the Facebook group, like when you purchase something or when you claim something and it's out of stock, it adds it to your waitlist. You will be able to click there and then see those items that are there. So here, there's nothing available in my waitlist currently, but another thing that you can do is use your favorites. And then if there is something that you want to save for later, you can just add it there. There's a little star, okay, right up here. And then that will allow you to save that into your favorites group. Okay, so once I click the star, it should show up for me there. So we'll go back and I'll click my favorites, and there it is. So now the next time that I want to check out, then I can hit my favorites list and make sure there's nothing that I wanted to add from before that I could have missed. Okay, also new and also active is the loyalty program, which means that every time that you place an order with mamachuladesigns.com or on the app, you're going to receive a 1% account credit, kind of like a cashback thing, for every order you place. So from now on, all those accumulated dollars will just accrue, and then you can use those at any time at any checkout. An added benefit to checking out on the website versus the app is that on the website you have the option of using Sezzle, your Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, as well as PayPal during checkout. Now, I just ask that you please use Sezzle for orders that are larger, particularly $100 or above would be great. Please make sure to check us out on Facebook at our VIP group. Then we also have a link to Instagram and our TikTok account. So happy shopping, everybody. Happy New Year.